Now, Tejasvi's CM face pitch gains momentum post his meeting with Congress's Ashok Gehlot. Important to understand that with Bihar polls on the horizon, Tejasvi Yadav and Lalu Prasad's meeting with Ashok Gehlot has triggered fresh buzz in the Mahagathbandhan camp. Now, sources say that the Congress and RJD are close to officially projecting Tejasvi as the CM face for the alliance. Talks are also underway to iron out seat sharing through friendly fights, aiming for a united front. Remember, it's also important to understand what Tejasvi Yadav brings to the table. Now, Tejasvi Yadav is a strong youth connect and also brings to the table, of course, political experience along with a loyal core voter base. But his dynamic stag and, of course, his limited appeal beyond the traditional Muslim Yadav coalition remains, of course, a challenge for him and his party. However, alliance mismanagement and a disciplined NDA remains a key threat for the Mahagathbandhan.
और ये फ्रेंडली फाइट कही जाएगी महागठबंधन की 12 सीटों पर।
आपने समझे वो पता नहीं कितना रहेगा, जो कल शाम तक का वक्त है। मेरे के 243 सीटें हैं, उसमें 5 सीटों पर कार्यकर्ता भी उत्साह होते हैं, लोकल परिस्थिति होती है और फ्रेंडली फाइट अगर माना जाता है तो कई राज्यों में जहाँ अलायंस हुए हैं वहाँ ये संभावना होती है, वो इसको बहुत बड़े रूप में देखने होता है।
Well, on this, my colleague Raman Raj joining us on the telecast. Raman, of course, yesterday also we heard Tejasvi Yadav talk about the Bihar Assembly elections. He, in fact, had also some poll promises that he had come with. Help us understand, when is it expected that he would be announced as the chief ministerial face, if it is him who is going to be announced as the CM face?
Exactly. India Alliance will hold a press conference today, and you can see a poster behind me where Tejasvi Yadav face is only in this poster, and it means that Tejasvi Yadav will be announced as a CM candidate of India Alliance. Today the possibilities are very large and the chances are very large that Tejasvi will announce as a CM candidate of India Alliance ahead of the assembly election, because it is already very much delayed by the India Alliance, yet not announced the name of Tejasvi Yadav as CM candidate in front of the NDA. So here you can see the poster that only Tejasvi Yadav photos is in the poster, Bihar Mangi Tejasvi Sarkar. So there is a clear message from the India Alliance and from the RJD and Congress side that Tejasvi will be our CM candidate in front of the NDA, so that they can fight with NDA on the face of Tejasvi Yadav. And there are most probably chances in that press conference that Tejasvi will announce as a CM candidate in front of the NDA.